Well, folks, it's me again. I thought I'd just give you up on this video. The thing is, what I have here, it's a laser light, a laser light with this. It's like a torch, and it has a key on it, and you take the key out, and they put the tiny little keys on the one little key ring, two key rings, and you just push it like that. Now it won't. That's on. So if I turn the key off, so it knocks off. Now I turn it back on, twist the key, and then you can see the difference. It shines up on the background, the door behind me. So, and then now the thing is, with the part that comes off this is the charger there, and there's 2 pins, 2 bars in it, and that's you can see the label there with the charger. Tells you what the charger is with the battery charger, and that's why I have a plug for it that goes in like that, and they plug into your own socket wall. Now there's a thing that's apart there, and you could just with the turn this on with the laser. So they turn the key, so they turn the key, knocks off, and then knock it back on, and it comes up like that on the camera. So if I take this off, these parts that comes off, then just to the normal light and shines up onto the camera. Now that comes off, so that this part. That's the first thing, the number one thing, and then you take the second part off, and it's like this yoke, and shines up onto the thing. That's the other part. Now this the thing there with the what you call it. It's danger. It's sometimes it can damage. This could damage your eyesight. It's something about danger here. It's the label there. It tells you what's the green laser light look like. What the green laser light, that's what the label is. It tells you all about the green laser light, and you can actually pause there to look at this onto the camera, and just to read on this laser thing. So that's the second part, 2 parts, and took out the front. Now also you could just take the back off where the keys goes into the back. Take this off, and that's the other key off it. Oops. The battery just after falling down this time. Battery fell out. Because I had it upside down. Just flew over. And the battery just has to fall now. So yeah, then that's the battery that came over. So I'll leave that there. The battery just fell over. So 3 things that comes out. And the battery, and that's the key and the laser. So that's the 4th thing. And then you just take this other part off, and this other part off, and that's the other hook. And with that there, I don't know where this comes off. It doesn't seem to be. So that's just another part. So that's actually 1, 2, 3, 5, and 5 parts here. And your plug, and your charger, and then your normal wall socket. And now this is the battery, and that's the battery out of this laser light. I actually bought this in Spain, in Benidorm, a good few years ago, and I still have it, and it's still working. Now this is what the batteries look like, and tells you all the information, something about one, do not throw this in fires or anything because it could explode. This is what the batteries look like, the battery inside it. And it's the size of this thing in my hand, in my fingers. So this is what the batteries look like, and all these instructions, and tells you all here what the battery is. The 3 to 7 volt, and that's what it says here, 3 to 7 volt, and that's what the battery is. So you have the plus there, and the line here at the bottom. So that's the line. That's just your plus, and that's just the 5 thing all together, separate with the charger and the plugs charger. Because in Spain they kind of have roundy sockets on the wall with the 2 bars, and we don't have the same sockets that what we have here is one of these air wall sockets, like a triangle. Air on plug sockets like a triangle. So when you put that in and into the charges battery when it's down, when it needs to be charged, and that's just labelled there, but it tells you what to charge, and there's where the charger with the battery goes. It tells you exactly where you put the battery, and there's a little thing there that you can put the end of the battery and push it down, and just shoves in like that, and it charges it. And now there's a little light on that, where you can see a little hole, the hole on that. That's the little light there. That when that comes on red, and then when it gets when it charges, the red changes into the green. And when it turns green, it gives you a signal that's charged. Then before you unplug it, then you just shove them in like that into the socket. Then you just plug into what if you want to have it like this, or you can have it any way you want, into a socket wall. So and I put the parts all back together, screw it all back together, and I screw it all back together. You fell out of my hand that time. Now when I get the battery and throw the battery in, and the battery just shoves in, slides in. Then you put the lid on the cap with the key on it, and then just twist it. And let's see if now when I put the key in it, twist it's not working. So hang on, I have the battery rigged up wrong. I have the battery the wrong way around. Sometimes the batteries have you confused. So the reason why it didn't come on there that time, because the battery's still the wrong way around. Now see if it does comes on. So it does comes on, because it actually works, because I had it does comes on. Then you can put the other part on it, on like this, and laser 303 is the written says on it, laser 303, and then you put the cap on it, and that's what a laser light look like, and this is what it shows with the key, and this is what it's like, and then that's all the parts you have on it. So that's that, and I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.